Yeah. Let's go. We just gotta go hard. I go the hardest. I bring the pain. Not what you used to. It's all part of the game. Yeah, I just gotta go hard. I just gotta go hard. Go hard. Go hard. Yeah. Oh yeah, the beast back. Adrenaline pumping through my veins, can't relax. Original, I am not the same as these cats. I sting them if they never ever mind and they beeswax. I don't ever cap, but I'm wearing like 3 hats. Never been a rat, but I know where the cheese at. You'll never get a trophy cause they all here where we at. You better believe that. When it's all said and done, I'll still be here standing. Never took a loss and it ain't something that I'm planning. I dare you to say something, my focus is A1. Every dog has his day, it's been mine since day one. This is real grind.
I mean, my goal is RX Indy. I don't think I'm there yet, but it's a great test to see where I am. It's basically like my 2nd year doing CrossFit full time, so it was a great test. Last year was basically like an entry. This year I'm just trying to beat myself for what I did last year, and then go for something a little bit out of reach, knowing that mentally I could get there, but it's just gonna take time.